Do you own an older investment property? A lot of investors think you can't claim depreciation on these old properties, but that's not always the case. If your property was built after 1987, you can still claim depreciation on the structure of the building. That's the things like the brickwork, the concrete, that's known as the building allowance. You can claim 2.5% of the building allowance per annum against your taxable income. But don't worry, if your property was built before 1987, there's still hope. You can't claim the original building allowance, but you can claim any renovations that were completed after 1987. Take these Paddington terraces in Sydney, for example. They were built in 1880, but they've clearly had a more recent makeover. Any internal work, like a new kitchen or bathroom, can be depreciated, even if you, as the current owner, didn't carry out those renovations. You'll need a qualified professional to estimate those construction costs, and that's where we come in. At Washington & Brown, we've helped over 250,000 property investors pay less tax with an ATO-compliant depreciation schedule. Whether it's residential, commercial, industrial, new or old, it's worth exploring if a depreciation schedule can help you pay less tax. So, did you know you could claim depreciation on second-hand investment properties? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to my Hottest 100 Depreciation Tips.